do some Lindy love. Okay, we're doing a Lindy side-by-side comparison of the Lindy Mini 20 versus the 26. Main difference is that this has a longer strap, crossbody, you can wear it crossbody easily. This does not. It's shoulder, crook of elbow, hand, makes some kind of that. You can obviously like add another strap to this if you wanted to, like a twilly or something, but the main way it's supposed to be worn is like this. Other than that, this is small enough to fit inside this comfortably, and like if that's the way you want to wear it, or if you want to double it up and use it like that, you can use the strap, kind of like what I've done with the other ones in the past. Just put it in, and then it takes up half the space. You can just open up the Lindy inside the Lindy and use that as a little, organizer. But then, if you want to wear a crossbody, you can. You can't. I mean, if you want to get into it, you'd have to take it off, I think, because if you try to get into it now, it'll eventually just slide off. Other than that, just do quick. That's kind of what they look like here. Here. I am 5'10", 5'9" and a half, 5'10" on a good day for reference. I guess we could also kind of wear it like that. Yeah. Pretty much it. Okay. Lindy loving.